controlled leg swing and lift. Again, really important that you're emphasizing pressing through the heel to protect the knee. I'm lifting my toes up in my shoes, which helps with that tremendously. Keep your upper body straight, tall, strong core. Exhale on that leg extension. Pump those arms. Come on, breathe deep. Constant tension on those legs. On this working leg here on the bench. 4, 3, 2, last one. Let's just hold here. Support your upper body. Hands on your thighs. Hold. Breathe deep. All right, let's do some jumps. Up, up, up. Come on. Push it, but stay safe. Come on, 4 more. And last one. To the limit.